got these pallet slats here. I'm just gonna frame it all in, put corners, cut 45s. I got the corners all cut. Just gotta get it nailed up here. I got it all nailed up. I have to take that off. I should have flipped it around and used the other side for the top. I'll sand it down. Go ahead and rip this down. Okay, I ripped a couple of those down. Here's what I got for my legs. All right, got the legs cut. Now I got the portion to rest your feet on. I'm just nailing these things in with the brad nailer, but this one and some of the other ones are hardwood, so that brad nailer doesn't like it. I'm gonna go ahead and sink a couple screws in here. Actually, to make this even better, I'm gonna go ahead and sink some of these old pallet nails in there. Well, then I took that other square and just put it around the legs there and tacked it on with my brad nailer. Got these extra screws laying around. I'm actually gonna go ahead and sink them in this way and that way, just to give it a little more stability there to the base. Hey, thanks for watching, guys.